Hi Makle, welcome to 10 power 100 maths class. So ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 27 ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 21 ಇಂದ 26 ತನಕ ಎಲ್ಲ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕರ್ಸ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 27. ಸೊ ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು 2 ಮಾರ್ಕರ್ಗೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 3 ಮಾರ್ಕರ್ಗೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕರ್ಸ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. So before that, so as I always ask you, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel because support is very important, children. Okay, without your support, it is very difficult for me to manage all of this. So that's why. So please subscribe to my channel, and for all the math videos, follow my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. So as I told you earlier, question number 27, so this is mainly from the vectors concept, okay? So by referring a model paper, I have taken all the questions, okay? So I have taken even more number of questions so that, even if they are something else, you should be able to answer, right? So let's solve one by one. So first one, unit vector question, ಆಯ್ತಾ. So ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ, read the question properly. Unit vector in the direction of vector A, right? So what we have to do is we have to find A cap, makle. Okay, A cap is equal to vector A divided by magnitude of vector A. Vector A divided by magnitude of vector A is the actual formula. So vector A is very clearly it is given. Now how to find the magnitude of that particular vector is magnitude of vector A is equal to square root of this. Okay, this is 1 and this is 2. So 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square. Even if it is negative, it will become positive. Nothing to worry here. Okay. So this root 6 agate. Correct? Root 6. Now A cap is equal to vector A. This is I cap plus J cap plus 2k cap divided by root 6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಮಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಈ ತರ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿರಬಹುದು. ಸೊ 1 by root 6 I cap plus 1 by root 6 J cap plus 2 by root 6 K cap. Even this is also correct ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. Okay, nothing to worry. So all are same. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ತಿದೀವಿ. In the normal cases, we will not split it. Okay, na? So this is what the A cap answer for this. So now find the unit vector in the direction of vector B. Now for example, if they ask you like this. So vector B is equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap minus 4k cap. In that case, you have to find out B cap. Okay, so magnitude is 4, 9, 16 agate. So just add all of them and see what you get it and write in this form. That's it. Okay, now next. Okay, so there are 2 questions here. So vector A is this, vector B is this. They're asking us to find out the unit vector in the direction of vector A plus B. In the previous case, it was vector A. Now in this case, it is vector A plus B. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಥರ A plus B, A minus B ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ A plus B, A minus B ಮಾಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Okay, so let's do A plus B. A plus B ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, vector A is I'll do directly. Vector A plus B. A plus B is equal to 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 andre I cap minus 1 plus 0 J cap plus 2 minus K plus K cap. Alva, A plus B is that. Now for this we have to find out the unit vector. So now let's say vector A plus vector B whole cap is equal to vector A plus B divided by magnitude of vector A plus B. ಇದನ್ನ one more vector C vector ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ we can do C cap also. Okay, so no problem. So ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು, so 1 I cap plus 0 J cap plus K cap divided by square root of 1 plus 0 plus 1 ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, so 1 by root 2 I cap plus 0 by root 2 J cap plus 1 by root 2 K cap. So that's all is the answer, makle. I hope ಇದು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ನೋ ಹೌ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್. ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಡೂ ಇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ A minus B ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ A minus B ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಡೀಲಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಮೈನಸ್, ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಈ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವೆರ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ A minus B ಮಾಡೋಣ. A is this, B is this. ಸೊ 2 minus 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 i cap ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ 2 ಮೈನಸ್ ಜೆ, 2 ಮೈನಸ್ ಜೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಜೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ -5 -3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. -5 -3 ಅಂದರೆ -8 ಕೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್. ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಆಯಿತು. ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ a minus b the whole cap is equal to this vector. So 0 i cap plus 1 j cap minus 8 k cap divided by square root of 0 plus 1 plus 64. Alva makle? Yeah, so what do you get? 0 by root 65 I cap plus 1 by root 65 j cap minus 8 by root 65 k cap. So this is the a minus b the whole cap. So this is more than enough. If you do this much, ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ a minus b and a plus b. Next, okay, for the unit vector, find the magnitude which has 8 units. ಆಯ್ತಾ? So find the unit vector which has magnitude 8 units. ಇದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಟು ದ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಒನ್. ಸೊ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಯೂಶಲಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಯು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಎ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಎ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್. ಎ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್, ಸೊ 5 ಐ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ minus j cap plus 2k cap divided by root of 25 ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು 25 plus 1 plus 4. So root 30 ಆಯಿತು. So a cap is equal to, so 5 by root 30 I cap minus 1 by root 30 j cap plus 2 by root 30 k cap. Okay, start maninda. Now they are asking us to find out 8 units aita. So unit vector and the vector which has magnitude 1 makle. Okay, so 1 into 8 madre 8 barutte. So what you have to do for this, you have to multiply 8 aste. Okay, so illi if you multiply 8 both the side, so ikkade enagutte 8 a cap is equal to 8 5s are, so 40 I cap divided by root 30 minus 8 by root 30 j cap plus 8 2 is a 16 by root 30 k cap. Istu madidre saku. This is what finding a unit vector which has magnitude 8 units anta. Artha aita? Next one more question ante. So illi maybe question miss agirbodu. So vector a is equal to I cap minus 2j cap makle. Okay, I cap minus 2j cap. So let's solve this. Ivaga so a cap madana. So a cap is equal to I cap minus 2j cap plus 0 k cap. K illa, but we'll write in the form of 0 itself. Okay, all divided by root of estagutte 1 plus 2 square alla 4. 1 plus 4 andre 5 alva. Yeah, so a cap is equal to, so 1 by root 5 I cap minus 2 by root 5 j cap plus 0 by root 5 k cap. Okay, ivaga look at this. They're asking us to find out which has magnitude 7 aita. So multiply what? Multiply 7. So if you multiply 7, so 7 a cap 7 a cap is equal to 7 by root 5 I cap minus 14 by root 5 j cap plus 0 by root 5 k cap, because 0 into any number is 0 only alva. So istu bardre saku. This is the final answer. Artha aita? So very simple concept makle. So tala kedskobedi. When you know the concept, directly do it without doing any mistake. Okay, next. Okay, show that the vectors 2i minus 3j plus 4k and the other vectors are collinear. Okay, in this case ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, collinear ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹೀಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, vector b is equal to lambda times of vector a. Okay, so vector b is equal to lambda times of vector a is the actual formula for us. ಇವಾಗ ಇದೇ ತರ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಿತ್ ದಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಜಾಬ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಓವರ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಸೊ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್, ಸೊ ತಲೆ ಕೆಡ್ಸ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ, ಡೂ ದಿಸ್ ಮಚ್ ಮಕ್ಳೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ಸಿ ಯು 2 3 4 ಇದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 6 8 ಇದೆ. That means the numbers are more there alva. So take those numbers. Okay, so I'll take vector b is equal to ಎಷ್ಟು minus 4i cap plus 6j cap minus 8k cap, 8k cap, right? Now let's take now if I take what I can take common, 2 minus 2 can I take common? So vector b is equal to, look at this, ಈಗ minus 2 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ 2i cap plus 3j cap minus ಅಲ್ಲ plus I missed out, minus 3j cap plus 4k cap ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ. So this is what the left out element. Now look at this. What is this? It actually is set A alva. Sorry, matrix. Sorry, it's not set. It's nothing but vector A alva. Look at this, 2i 3j 4k, 2i 3j 4k. That is nothing but vector B is equal to minus 2 times of vector A. So if I'm able to write in this format, okay, vector A, B is equal to lambda times of vector A, then we can say that vector A and B are collinear. So here we can say that, so with this we can say vector A and B are collinear. Okay, so ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಸೊ a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So this is a collinear condition. So ಇದು a1 b1 c1, this is a2 b2 c2. So ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, sometimes in the MCQ form ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ. So very simple. So just prove like this ಆಯ್ತಾ. So take something common and try to get the other vector and write in the form of vector b is equal to lambda times of vector a. ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ more than enough control. Okay, next, so show that the vectors a b c with the position vectors this are respectively form the vertices of the right angle triangle. Okay, so this is like nowhere they have given in the model paper mark, but I feel that this is very important question, so just practice well. Okay, so iga right angle triangle alva, this is a, this is b and this is c. Okay, a b c we have taken. Now see ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಇದೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ we have to find out side AB, side BC and side CA ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, so now if you are finding out side AB, okay, vector AB is equal to, ಇದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ AB ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ you will have to take OB minus OA, second minus first, OB minus OA. ಓಕೆನಾ? So this is OA, this is OB and this is OC. So let's write that first. So ಇದು OA vector and this is OB vector and this is OC vector. Okay, now so this is one thing that you have to keep in mind, children. AB ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ, so vector AB ಆಯ್ತು. Next ಈ AB ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, it's actually ending at B, right? So now take BC vector ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. Okay, so BC vector is equal to, so when it is BC vector, it is second minus first, OC minus OB, OC minus OB. Next, so where this BC is ending at C, right? So now take CA vector, don't take AC vector. AC vector ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, so you have to take CA vector. This is nothing but OA minus OC, OA minus OC. Okay, now simple, so just substitute all of this. OB minus OA, OB ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದು ಅಲ್ವಾ, so 2 minus 3, 2 minus 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus I cap, so minus I cap. Next minus 1 plus 4, minus 1 plus 4 in the sense it is 3j cap. Next 1 plus 4, 1 plus 4 is 5k cap, 5k cap, correct na? Now ಇವಾಗಲೇ ಅದರ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ AB? ಸೊ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ AB is equal to square root of 1 plus 9 plus 25 ಅಲ್ವಾ, 1 plus 9 plus 25, so 10 25 ಅಂದ್ರೆ root 35 ಆಯಿತು, root 35, correct ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ 10 25 root 35. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಸೊ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೇ ಥರನ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೂ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವು OC ಮೈನಸ್ OB ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದು ಅಲ್ವಾ, So I minus 2i, that is OC minus, yeah, so it is minus I cap. Next 3 minus 3 plus 1, minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2j cap. Next minus 5 minus minus 1, yeah, so it is minus 6k cap. So next magnitude of vector BC is equal to square root of 1 plus 4 plus 36, 40 root 41 alva makle, root 41. Okay, next this one OC is that, and this, so I minus 3i, that is minus 2i cap. Next minus 3 plus 4, minus 3 plus 4 is minus 3 plus 4, yeah, plus j cap. Next minus 5 plus 4, it is minus k cap alva. So next magnitude of vector CA is equal to it is 4 plus 1 plus 1, the answer is root 6. Okay, ಇವಾಗ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಸೊ ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಂದ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ವಿ ಗಾಟ್ ರೂಟ್ 35, ರೂಟ್ 41 ಅಂಡ್ ರೂಟ್ 6. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಯಾವುದಿದೆ, ರೂಟ್ 41 ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Magnitude of vector BC is equal to the other two, you just add them up. Okay, so this is a vector AB plus vector CA square square square. Yenike square andre you will understand now. So take root 41 square is equal to root 35 square plus root 6 square. Okay, so square and the square and the square root gets cancelled out. 41 is equal to 35 6, so 41 is equal to 41, correct? So if both the sets are equal, then we can see here we used Pythagoras theorem. So that means Pythagoras theorem works only for the right angle triangle, correct alva? So with that what we can conclude, so now the given points are vertices of a right angle triangle anta bariboda. So write the conclusion. So the given points are vertices of a right angle. If you write this conclusion, so this is more than enough. Okay, so ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ lengthy ಅನ್ಸ್ಬೋದು, but follow the strategy ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. So AB, it is ending at B, so that's why you started at B. Okay, so next BC, it is ending at C, so that's why you started with the C. So remember this, so that easily you can do that. Okay, next find the vector joining the points P and Q of directed from PQ. Okay, so very simple. So ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ vector PQ find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. Okay, vector PQ is equal to second minus first, so it's OQ minus OP. OQ minus OP, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So OQ is this vector, that is minus I cap minus 2j cap minus 4k cap minus of this vector, so it is 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 0k cap. So ಇದನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ minus 2 minus 3i cap vector PQ, this is minus 2 minus 5j cap, next minus, so 4k cap. So with this we can conclude here that vector PQ is equal to minus 3i cap minus 5j cap minus 4k cap. That's it, very simple question control. Okay, now ಈಗ AB ಕೊಟ್ಟು point A point B ಕೊಟ್ಟು, if they ask you to find out vector AB, so find out OB minus OA, that's it. Okay, next next section formula. So section formula, so we have two formulas in the section formula makle, correct? So ಒಂದು section formula internally, next section formula external division ge. Okay, so this is the formula we use, MB plus NA divided by M plus N. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ M ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, M ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. Okay, this is M, so this is M and this is N. Okay, and this is A vector, and this is b vector. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ this is more than enough ಆಯ್ತಾ. So let's do that very quickly. So vector OR is equal to m ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಅಲ್ವಾ. So 2 into a vector is to I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap plus n is this one alva, minus I cap plus j cap plus k cap divided by m plus n ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 plus 1 that is 3. Okay, so ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, so 2i cap plus 4j cap minus 2k cap minus I cap plus j cap plus k cap whole divided by 3. So 2 minus I andre it is I cap. Next 4 plus 1, so it is 5j cap. Next 2 minus 1, so 2 it is minus k cap divided by 3. So idu internally ge answer. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲಿ. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ಗೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಐಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಓ ಆರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸೊ 2i cap plus 4j cap minus 2k cap. ಸೊ ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ದಿಸ್, ಈ ಮೂರು ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ i cap ಆಯಿತು, ಮೈನಸ್ j cap minus k cap alva, minus the, okay, divided by 2 minus 1 makla. Okay, so 2 minus 1 is 1, so I'm not going to write that. So OR so is equal to, so 2 plus 1 is 3i cap, 4 minus 1 is plus 3j cap, all are 3k cap. Okay, so this is the final answer. Okay, so OR vector ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ and formula ಕಂಡು. Here you need to know the formula. 3 markerಗೆ the derivations externally ಇಲ್ಲ internally conditions ಬರುತ್ತೆ, so that you have to learn carefully. Next, so ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ನೋಡಿ, we can't use the same formula, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ modification ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಯ್ತಾ. Why we have to do modification is very simple. Look at this, OP vector and OQ vector they have given. OP vector is 3a minus 2b ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಎ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ OP vector, so we can't use AB ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಸೊ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಾಡಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಓಕೆ, B vector you take it as OQ vector. This is B vector and this is A vector, that's it. Okay, but we will not mention that one. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ, OR is equal to m ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ m into OQ vector plus n into OP vector divided by m plus n. So next m is 2:1 only, so it is 2 into OQ is a plus b, right? A plus b plus 1 into 3a minus 2b divided by 3. So ಇದನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2a plus 3a, so it is 5 vector a, 2b minus 2b, so 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, divided by 3. So this is the final answer ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. Okay, so 5a by 3 is the answer. Very simple one. Okay, next externally ಮಾಡೋಣ. So externally is same concept ಅಲ್ವಾ. So same concept. So OR is equal to ಇದು, so 2 of a plus b minus 1 into 3a minus 2b divided by 2 minus 1 is 1 alva. So this is what you get it. Yeah, so next to OR vector is equal to 2a minus this one. So it is minus a na. Yeah, so minus a vector b plus 2b plus 3b vector, that's all. Yeah, sorry, 2b and plus 2b. Yeah, so it's 4b alla plus, so 4b. So the answer is minus a plus 4b is the answer makle. Okay, very simple. So idu ನಿಮ್ಮ model paper ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. So practice well so that easily you will get to know how to solve and 2 mark easy ಆಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಥರ ಸಮ್ಗಳು ಬರುವಾಗ ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಯಿತಾ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಥರ ಸಮ್ ಬರುವಾಗ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್, ಯೂಸ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಆಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಾ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ a minus b the whole square? A minus b the whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab, and a plus b the whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. That's it, very simple. ಸೊ ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ they're asking us to find out mod of a minus b ಅಲ್ವಾ. Look at this. So mod of a minus b. Okay, mod in this is magnitude of a minus b. So take whole square. So ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಈ ತರ ಯಾವಾಗ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ, ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬರೆದಾಗ we put magnitude ಮಕ್ಕಳು. So okay, so remember in the dot product ಯಾವಾಗ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ, so put magnitude. Okay, so magnitude of vector a square plus magnitude of vector b square minus 2 ಇಲ್ಲಿ magnitude ಬೇಡ 2a dot b. Okay, same that identity. Okay, so magnitude of a is 2, so 2 square plus 3 square minus 2 into 4 ಅಲ್ವಾ. So ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ, so 2 square is 4 plus 9 minus 8, so 5 ಆಯಿತು. So this is magnitude of a minus b the whole square. Okay, ತುಂಬಾ ಸತಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, you will do up to here and you will stop it here ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. Okay, so they are asking us to find out mod a minus b, right? Magnitude of a minus b. Here we got magnitude of a minus b the whole square. So next, what is magnitude of just a minus b? So this is nothing but root 5 ಅಲ್ವಾ. So ಈ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಆದಾಗ ರೂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So root 5 is the answer for us. Okay, so don't write plus or minus because always the magnitude of any vector will be positive. So we'll consider root 5 as the final answer. Okay, so ಇದೇ strategy na here if we apply, so they're asking us to find out the magnitude of vector a plus b. So take magnitude of vector a plus b the whole square is equal to magnitude of vector a square plus magnitude of vector b square plus 2ab alva makle. So what do you get, 9 plus 25 plus 2 into 5, so 2 5 are 10, so 19, 20, 45, 44, yeah, 44, I think 34, 44, yeah. So this is magnitude of vector a plus b the whole square. What is magnitude of vector a plus b? Magnitude of vector a plus b is equal to root 44. So this is the final answer contour. Okay, so very simple, easily you can score 2 mark itara questions kotre. Okay, ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ whenever we write square we have to write magnitude. Okay, okay, next ಇದು ಕೂಡ one of the 2 mark important question ಆಯ್ತಾ. So angle between two vector a and vector b ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. Okay, so angle between vector a and vector b. So the formula is cos theta is equal to a dot b divided by magnitude of vector a into magnitude of vector b. So ತುಂಬಾ ಟೈಮ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ, ಸೊ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಹೀಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫೈನಲಿ you will just write cos theta is equal to this one. So they're not asking you to find out cos theta value, they're asking you to find out theta value ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, you have to write theta is equal to cos inverse of. Okay, that's why ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡುವಾಗ ಸೊ theta is equal to cos inverse of ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಡಿ, ಸೊ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ theta is equal to ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ, ಸೊ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ vector a is what? Vector a is this one and vector b is this one. So they're asking us to find out a dot b alva. A dot b is very simple, I'll show you here. Aita 1 I cap minus 2j cap plus 3k cap dot this is 3i cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. Okay, now dot product is very simple. 1 into 3 is 3, minus 2 into minus 2, that is plus 4. Next 2 into 1 is, sorry, 3 into 1 is 3 alva. 1 3, 2 2 is 4, 3 into 1, yeah. So 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10. So this is 10 makle. A dot b is 10. Artha aita? Next we have to find out magnitude of vector a and magnitude of vector b. So let's find out that. So magnitude of vector a is what? So it is square root of 1 plus 4 plus 9 alva. 1 plus 4 plus 9, yeah. So it is root 14 makle, root 14. Next magnitude of vector b is equal to it is 9 plus 4 plus 1 alva. So idu kuda same 10 root 14. So now we'll write the formula. So theta is equal to cos inverse of a dot b divided by magnitude of vector a into magnitude of vector b. So we'll write cos inverse of a dot b is 10 divided by root 14 into root 14. So finally theta is equal to cos inverse of 10 by 14 ಆಯಿತು, that is nothing but 5 by 7 ಅಲ್ವಾ. So yeah, I'll write here. So cos inverse of 5 by 7, so theta is equal to cos inverse of 5 by 7. So this is the final answer, okay. So there's nothing to worry. So very simple concept. Then pitಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So cos inverse of 5 by 7 is the answer. Okay, so let's apply the same strategy here. So here a and b is given. So now a dot b, here I'll do directly. So a dot b is equal to 1 into 1 is 1. This is minus 1. This is minus 1. ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? Minus 1 andre, so cancel. So it is minus 1 alva. Yeah. So magnitude of vector a is 1 plus 1 plus 1. That is nothing but root 3. Next up, magnitude of vector b is, so 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is also nothing but root 3 alva. So next, theta is equal to, so cos inverse of a dot b ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 1. So minus 1 divided by root 3 into root 3 is 3 only alva, minus 1 by 3. So theta is equal to, you know, cos inverse, you can stop it here itself, okay, no problem. But what is cos inverse of negative angle? So this is pi minus cos inverse of 1 by 3 in the bariboda. So with this, here we can conclude option. So with this, we can say that theta is equal to pi minus cos inverse 1 by 3 is the final answer. Okay, so this is about angle between two vectors. Next, so iveredu questions kuda tumba important agutte. If a is a unit vector makle, okay, if a is a unit vector andre vector whose magnitude is 1, right? So a magnitude 1 anta kottidare. Okay, they're asking us to find out magnitude of x. ತುಂಬಾ ಸಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ಸೊ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ x minus a and this is x plus a, right? So is equal to 8. So what we can take is, this is a minus b children, okay? So this is a minus b and this is a plus b. What is a minus b into a plus b? It is a square minus b square. Your identity, correct? So we'll do the same thing. So here it becomes magnitude of vector x the whole square minus magnitude of vector a the whole square is equal to 8. Okay, now a and the gotto. So magnitude of vector a is 1. So we'll put 1 here. So magnitude of x square minus 1 is equal to 8. Magnitude of x square is equal to 9. So magnitude of x is equal to plus or minus 3 alva. So but it is always positive. So take only any one value. All system baradru saku, no problem. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಇಫ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಬಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಸ್ 12 ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೇಮ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್, ಬಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಅದರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಸ್ 12. ಸೊ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 12 and this is 1. So magnitude of x square minus 1 is equal to 12. So magnitude of x is equal to 13. So magnitude of x is equal to plus or minus root 13 or else just plus root 13 is the final answer. It's a very simple concept. You need to know this, okay? Next, projection of A on B. This is model paper. So projection of A on B. So formula is very simple. Formula is A on B and B on A. Okay. A on B and divided by magnitude of B barate. B on A and divided by magnitude of A barate. Okay. So vector A is this makle. So vector A and this is vector B. So if you consider projection of vector A on B is equal to A dot B alva. A dot B divided by magnitude of B. Okay. So A dot B maana 1 into 1 is 1, minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. So divided by, it actually find out better because it is root 2. So this is 0 alva. 0, right? Because the dot product of two vector itself 0 here. Okay, they are perpendicular vectors, so there is no projection here makle. Okay, so idan madre gottagata namage. A dot B on the this one. Okay, 1 into 7 is 7 3 minus 3, 8 7 is 56. Yeah, so 56, 53, 47. 47, yeah. 7 minus 3 is no 56. 56 plus 7, 63. So 63 minus 3 andre it is how much? 60 alla? 60, yeah. 56, 7, 63 minus 3, yeah, 7. Okay, so next magnitude of vector b. So magnitude of vector b is equal to 7 is 49 plus 1 plus 64, 50, 50, 60, 110, 114 alwa? So 114. So a on b, right? So projection of a on b is equal to 60 by root 114 is the final answer. In the previous case we got 0, and in this case we got here you can say that projection of a on b is equal to 0. Okay, so don't just keep it as it is, so or else write the conclusion that they are perpendicular. Okay, next question. So next question is finding the area of parallelogram. Okay, so very important question. The formula is very simple. So magnitude of a cross b is the formula. Okay, so magnitude of a cross b. So a is given, b is given, so we will have to find the cross product of any two vectors and then find the magnitude of it. You will get the area of parallelogram. So before that, let's find out a cross b. So a cross b is equal to, so it is I cap, j cap, k cap. So you need to find out the determinants here. So it is 1 minus 3, minus 1 and 3. Next, so it is 2 minus 7 and 1, right? So this becomes I of minus 1 plus 21 minus j of 1 minus 6 plus k of 1 minus 6 only, no? Is it 1 minus 6? No. I missed, yeah. So 7, 1 into minus 7 is 7, 2 into this is plus 2, yeah. So we get this is minus plus 20 I cap, this is plus 5 j cap, this is minus 5k cap. So this is a cross b makla. Okay, so istu madida saku. So in the gottide finding the determinant of that particular matrix, that particular vectors. Okay, so next, so very simple. So find the magnitude of this particular vectors. So hege find ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. So magnitude of a cross b is equal to square root of 20 square plus 5 square plus 5 square. So 20 square under 400, yeah, 400 plus 50. So square root of 450. So just keep it as it is, right? So area is equal to 450 square units. It's 450 square units. This is more than enough, kind of. Okay, so the answer is 450 square units. Okay, so the steps are very clear. So first you find out a cross b, and then a cross b you get in the form of vector, and for that you find the magnitude. So you will get the area of parallelogram. Okay, next question. So next question mandu find the area of triangle with vertices 3 points they have given. So very simple concept. Okay, so area is equal to half of magnitude of AB cross AC makle. Okay, AB cross AC. Like usually like AB and AC ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಲ್ಲ, so you have to find out. Okay, how do you find AB? So magnitude of AB, AB is equal to, it is OB minus OA, right? So OB minus OA. So this is OB and this is OA. Okay, so it is 2 minus 1 is I cap, 3 minus 1 is plus 2j cap, 5 minus 2 is plus 3j cap. Okay, next AC. AC vector is, it is OC minus OA. OC minus OA. This minus this, so 1 minus 1 is 0 I cap, 5 minus 1 is plus 4j cap. Next 5 minus 2 is plus 3j cap. Yeah. Okay, so we are right. Next let's find the cross product of these two. So AB cross AC. AB cross AC is equal to I cap j cap, k cap. So 1, 2, 3, 0, 4, 3, 0, 4, 3. So now let's solve this. I cap of 2 3s are 6, 4 3s are 12. So minus j cap of, so 3 1s are 3, minus 0, plus k cap of 4 1s are 4, minus 0. So what do we get? If we solve this, 6 minus 2 is minus 6 I cap, minus 3j cap plus 4k cap, alva, plus 4k cap. Okay, so next we'll find the magnitude of this. So magnitude is magnitude of, so we'll go with some other color. Yeah, so magnitude of AB cross AC is equal to, so 6 is the 36 plus this is 9 plus 16 alva. So 36 plus 9, 36 plus 9 is 45, 55 55 61 alva makle. Yeah, so 61. So formula is this. So area is equal to half into root 61. So area is equal to root 61 by 2 is the final answer. Okay, this is how we have to find out. So it's a very simple concept. Remember the formula AB cross AC. Example like easy solve but because we don't use much makle chances irate. So I don't want you to like lose simple 2 marks. So I think that's it. Yeah. So I have covered almost everything from 2 markers, so, like 2 markers of vectors makle. Okay. So ide innondu concept mele 3 markers kuda ide. So some of the questions I have left aita. ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು 3 markers ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಇದು ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಈ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ನಾನು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 21 ಇಂದ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 2 markers 3 markers ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಯರ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಮೈ ಎಂಡ್. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ಯು ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್.